be on my suit and tie shit, I be on my suit and tie shit, Can I show you a view?
I'm the heart of that beast for every aborted baby. I'm the truth that can free every inmate who's falsely behind bars, yet to been vindicated. I'm more like the mind of every rape victim who can't retrace the face to the motherfucker who had their way with it. If those walls could talk, I'll speak for all of you who have been a victim of molestation from your dad, brother, uncle, or your mom's nephew. I'm Minister Billy Niles, who was standing next to Dr. King when that bullet fired off from that rifle and he fell in my arms. I'm the truth behind Malcolm X's assassination. I'm the guilt that led to the Emancipation Proclamation. I'm the war which would occur afterwards where the Union beat the Confederacy, but the South is still racist. I'm the last chapter of the Bible that lives in every hood, Revelations. I'm the massacre that took place in Rosewood called a legalized extermination. Sorry for your loss. They gave them $19,900.96. That's a fact. They call it compensation. I'm the visions in George Zimmerman's head before he goes to sleep. Come on, poet. I'm the visions in George Zimmerman's head before he goes to sleep. I'm the voice to those who have autism, cerebral palsy, or who just afraid to speak. I'm that whispering voice that goes to the pastor and says, not everybody is called to the altar to preach. Come on, poet. And I'm that loud, thunderous voice in the school board meeting that says, stop turning teachers into facilitators and instructors with the FCAT. Allow them to do the root word of teachers. Teach. Amen. Let me see if I can get this. I'm James Boyd Jr., Jesse Washington, Michael Donaldson, Reuben Stacy, Aaron Campbell, Stephen Eugene Washington, William L. McCray, Troy Davis, Matthew Shepard, Sean Bell, Emmett Till, Amadou Diallo, Reverend George Lee, Lamar Smith, John L. Reese, Williams Edwards Jr., Matt Charles Foster, Herbert Lee, Louis Allen, Captain Romans Duckworth Jr., William Lewis Moore, Addie Mae Collison, Denise McNair, Caroline Robinson, Cynthia Wesley, Virgil Lamar Webb, Dwayne Brown, Henry Hezekiah D., Fred Hampton, Brittany Williams, Marcus Foster, Trayvon Martin, Victor Steen, Huey Newton. All who deaths were senseless. I come to understand every crucifixion needs a witness. You want real? Most strippers can't dance unless they high drunk on pills. Most undercover fags walk around with dreads and gold grills. Most undercover fags walk around with dreads and gold grills. Parents got excuses why they can't make PTA meetings, but they on time when their child playing on the field. Niggas got the ill conception that if you don't snitch, you consider real. Ask that nigga who doing 40 years for his dog how he feel. Congress passing laws that get niggas time that kills. 30 years for a drug charge, 20 years for a rape, and 10 years for every nigga you kill. The fact that I just used the word nigga 4 times in that one line shows how ignorant I am. But then a white man called us a nigga and we ready to fight. Screaming, call Jesse Jackson and Al Sharpton. This cracker just violated my civil rights. Yet it's okay for another black man to call another black man a nigga. Come on now. See, that's the bullshit I don't like. So I grabbed this little jit up by his shoulder and I pressed him against the wall. I said, pull your fucking pants up. Stop saying the word nigga. You sound like a degenerate. But what he said next brought tears to my heart. He said, I don't know what that D word means, but I'm a real nigga. And I said, yeah, you right. You real ignorant. You want real? Look at my race. They don't even dance face to face. She got to be bent over grabbing her ankles while he clutching her waist. That ain't got to be your sister or your niece or your next door neighbor. It's still a fucking disgrace. We all born into sin, therefore we partially cursed. It's a man's world, but it's a woman's earth. Sad part is teenage girls having babies before they even discover their worth. Less weddings on Saturdays because young brothers stretched out taking that ride in the hearse. It's the idiosyncrasies of the urban culture. The truth will hurt you. Here's a fact that I hate to acknowledge. In the next 5 years, there'll be more African-American juveniles in jail than high school, making prison the new college. In 2000, we had Bush, and he fought. In the early 2000s, we had Bush, and he fucked us. In the latter 2000s, we got Obama. Now he's supposed to save us. But how? When there's still victims of Hurricane Katrina still waiting on FEMA? Or what about the devastating earthquake in Haiti? I dare one of you motherfuckers to disagree with me. The 90s still got the best fucking music, but the world is in the hands of the 80s, baby. That's right. I just got you real.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower